All right, Tesla fam. Let's break down what Tesla batteries are made of and why they're so innovative. Tesla's batteries primarily use lithium ion technology. The key components include lithium. This lightweight metal is crucial for energy storage. Nickel, used in high energy density cells to extend range and performance. Cobalt, helps stabilize the battery, although Tesla has been reducing cobalt content to make batteries more sustainable. Graphite, found in the anode, it allows lithium ions to flow efficiently. Aluminum and manganese, these support the structure and enhance stability. Tesla offers two main types of battery chemistries. One, nickel cobalt aluminum, NCA, found in Model S, Model X, and Model 3 performance variants designed for high performance and long range. Two, lithium iron phosphate, LFP, found in some Model 3 and Model Y standard range variants, focusing on durability and cost efficiency. These batteries are encased in a sealed, temperature-controlled pack to maximize safety and efficiency, and be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.